Welcome to our regular operation readiness series. Today's topic, we will touch on ramp-up curve and evaluate economic impact. The ramp-up curve is a chart that shows the production evolutions of a given industrial facility in a sustainable way until it reaches the production rate and capacity. Some criteria to consider in preparing the curve. Number one is ramp-up data collections using similar operation. Which curve to choose from? For example, Series 1 or Type 1 is for mature technology, standard equipment, and/or thorough testing. Number two, economy analysis. For example, the cost of doing operation readiness versus the cost of not doing operation readiness. Let's connect if you are interested to learn more about what other offerings to consider when preparing for your ramp-up curve. Thank you.